Today we are at the small airport, and we are looking at propeller planes right now. It is a nice day today. It would definitely be a perfect day for flying. First, we have a small propeller plane with one propeller. Now the tail does look like the design of a 737 NG. I'll play this slide this up right now. What's this? That's the plane. Over here. This one of the two. It has the but in person, it's spinning faster. And over here, this one is covered up. There are like 3 planes moving today. Yeah. Yeah, that is quiet. Versus you can hear the Cessna propeller. See? Spinning very slowly, the propeller on the camera, but in person it's different. That plane just took off. It is very satisfying to hear this engine. Now this plane is quite interesting. I mean, look at the design of the tail compared to this one. There's some strings strapped on the wings. Yes, I think this one is the most interesting of the small propeller planes. This one is a Cessna. Okay. Now here comes the Cessna. Then zoom in. Yeah, currently 4 planes up there right now. I mean, this is a very good time for flying. I don't know what they're doing. Planes. Well, we will come back to them later. Now, this is the taxiway and the runway. And over there, that is some hangars over there with another Cessna. Some additional planes. if y'all can see it. Oh, okay, there we go. There's a Cessna plane that took off just 1 minute ago. And you can see it flying in the sky. Alright. Want to land? If so, then okay. Don't go around. Just like this Cessna. That one. I just did a go around. There's another plane that just landed. Is that one gonna do a go around? No. Okay, that one is not gonna do a go around, but it's actually gonna stay there. Those planes over there are holding. I wonder when they will take off. Of course, one of them is clear. Okay. Now there's another plane landing. This one's doing the go around again. Now this plane is about to take off. I wonder what this one will sound like. And let's go. Alright. There's another Cessna that's about to take off. Okay, now all those planes over there are now pretty much ready to take off. That have been holding there for a long time. there's another plane that's in the sky. There's another plane up there. It's Cessna. Okay. This plane over there is about to take off. Oh, now this one is going around. I knew it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if y'all did, make sure you give it a like button. And then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more content.